In this video, we'll see how to create tables using MicroStation when you open OpenBridge Modeler. Right? So you can see this is the OpenBridge Modeler here, and if you go to the workflow, if you change to drawings, that's the MicroStation. And if you open, you can see here in the tables, in the annotate, there is the tables here. So if I open, it comes up, and then you can see seed is none. And if you go drop down, there is nothing. So what it means, you can do your own table here, but there is no template or seed file in there that you can just take that ready table from there and you can use it. So we just need to create a seed file for that, and we need to keep in our configuration to use that way. So how to do that seed file? So to do that seed file, um, we first need to open a file, new file, where we'll open a new model, and that would be seed file model will be there. All right. So let's do it. So if I if I close it, I will open a new file. I'll open a new file, and let's provide the name as tables. Open. And once it is opened, we can see this is a blank file. Now we gonna go into home, where we can go into the primary, into the model, and in here we'll open a new model file. And if we open a new model file, we need to make sure that we are opening the design. So it could be something like that, but you need to select the design, and from there I say this is, let's say, table A. So open that, and then I gonna create another one. Let's say it's table B. We can create as many models as we need. Okay. And in here, in each model file, we can have only one table, not more than one table. So if I open table A, now you can see table A here. So that means this is the table A model file. So model. So in here we open, let's say we go to annotate, and then we go here, and and we go here, and from there you select your text, whatever suits your requirement and as you need. So let's say I select this one, and we got this is table. And you can see this table, you can also, when you select this, you can format, like the whatever the fill or the borders and border thickness and those things, and also marge and those things. So let's say I do the marge of these things, and I can say this, and let's say put as table A, and also I can say select here and do that one, right? Let's say I do another one, the table B views. Here I create another one, and let's say I do come here, where I say, let's say I have 6 rows and 5 rows and 6 columns. It comes up like this, and this, and let's say I do marge. I'm just doing some format here. Um, You just need to double click on the cell to get into the text file to write the text. So like now, let's say if we have something here as well merged, we can say this is merge, and probably let's say you have another of these two is merged. Um, you can have some headings in there. We just leave it as let's say assume this is our format. So we leave it here. So once this is done, what we need to do, we need to keep this file in the in a certain location, in a particular location. So we can save this file onto the locations of program data, Bentley, OpenBridge Modeler, whichever version you are using. I'm going for configuration and organization civil, and bridge default metric where I am using. If you have your own configuration in there, you can save. So in the dgnlib, this here I'll open a file called folder called tables, and inside that I use as dgnlib. So save that one. So if we go into the settings and then configuration, in the configuration variable, we can find the dgnlib list. So here we just need to add the location of the bridge. So it's under, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna copy this one and paste. So it's in the bridge organization standard OpenBridge Modeler dgnlib, and it was in the dgnlib. I opened a folder called tables, and inside that there is my dgnlib. That's a start dgnlib. Any dgnlib will come in there, so that's fine. I'll just make it okay. Yes. So if we now then close it, I now open a new model file. Let's say test one. So if we can have a look now, from OpenBridge model, we can go into drawing, and you can go into annotate. You can see the table, and you can see here seed none. If you go drop down, you can see table A, which is, we have this one. You can do fill up as you need, and then also we have the table B, which we set up. Also we have the ability to create our own as we need.